The next issue that I'd like to consider in our discussion of behavioral and emotional problems in consumer culture is this ideology of work and spend. So the kind of capitalist treadmill that consumer culture places us on, and how we both simultaneously try and resist it, but also increasingly feel caught up in this sort of hamster wheel of working and spending. And underpinning all of this is the idea that the aim of advertising is to persuade us to buy something. So the aim of advertising is to get us to buy stuff. You know, that's hardly a new concept. But let's think for a moment about how it does this. So the kind of underlying principles and discourses of advertising that encourage us to buy things. The first one is the idea of relative deprivation. So we're constantly competing with other people in order to maintain a certain type of lifestyle and a certain level of prestige. So we're constantly struggling to manage our image in order to appear as impressively as possible to other people. The second discourse which advertising uses to persuade us to buy things that we might not otherwise need is exploiting our fears, anxieties, and jealousy and discontent rather than validating personal and social experiences. So we're constantly comparing ourselves to other people in the world of advertising, and we find constantly that we're coming up short. The solution to that? Buy the product that is being offered. So at the heart of advertising, many critics would argue, is a set of principles which are designed to make us feel as badly about ourselves as possible. So this idea of feeling as if we must constantly compete with other people to maintain our lifestyle, and no matter how much we compete, how much we struggle, we're always going to come up short. Now, cultural capital, the idea of cultural capital, plays an important role in defining what this deprivation looks like and how we can overcome it.